In the mid-19th century, Chinese market gardeners travelled throughout South Australia from the southeast to the far north, including a gentleman by the name of Ned Chong, who thrived in the harsh environment up around Oodnadatta. Edward Ned Chong was born in China around 1853. He left China as a young man and arrived in Darwin, where he worked for some years before moving to Adelaide to work for a Chinese market gardener. Heading north to work on the railways, he met Cherry Archie, and they set up a market garden together at Bookie's Waterhole, which is about 7 kilometres from Oodnadatta. The two men worked the garden until Cherry Archie's death in 1911. Ned subsequently married Cherry's widow, Minnie, an Aranda woman, and they raised 8 children. Highly respected in the region, Ned's business acumen included running a piggery, butcher shop and bakery. This meant that he and his family were very important to the survival of the remote community. When Ned died in 1949, his age was officially recorded as 96, although family law has it that he was about 108 years of age.